2 formats of conducting effective live webinar. There are several formats for conducting effective live webinars, depending on the content, audience, and goals of the presentation. Here are 2 common formats. 1. Presentation style webinar. A overview. In this format, the presenter delivers a structured presentation on a specific topic or subject matter. B. Content delivery. The presenter typically uses slides or visual aids to guide the audience through the content. They may share insights, strategies, case studies, or best practices related to the topic. C. Interaction. While the presentation style webinar is primarily one-way communication, there are opportunities for interaction. This may include Q&A sessions at designated intervals, polls to gather feedback or opinions from the audience, or interactive elements such as quizzes or surveys. D. Engagement techniques. To keep participants engaged, the presenter can incorporate storytelling, real-life examples, and visuals to illustrate key points. They may also encourage audience participation through chat functions or by inviting attendees to share their experiences or ask questions. E. Benefits. This format is effective for delivering structured content in a clear and organized manner. It allows presenters to share valuable insights and expertise with the audience while providing opportunities for interaction and engagement. 2. Panel discussion or webinar. A overview. In a panel discussion or webinar format, multiple presenters or experts discuss a specific topic or issue from different perspectives. B. Content delivery. Each panelist shares their insights, experiences, or expertise on the topic, contributing to a comprehensive discussion. The moderator guides the conversation, facilitates interaction between panelists, and ensures that the discussion stays focused and relevant. C. Interaction. Panel discussions encourage active participation from the audience through Q&A sessions, polls, or live chat. Attendees may have the opportunity to ask questions directly to the panelists or share their opinions on the topic. D. Engagement techniques. To keep the audience engaged, panelists can provide diverse viewpoints, share personal anecdotes, and respond to audience questions or comments. The moderator can also facilitate dynamic discussions by encouraging debate, asking probing questions, and summarizing key points. E. Benefits. Panel discussions/webinars offer a more dynamic and interactive format compared to traditional presentations. They provide multiple perspectives on a topic, stimulate critical thinking, and foster engaging conversations among panelists and audience members. These are just 2 examples of effective live webinar formats, and there are many other variations depending on the specific goals and preferences of the presenter and audience. Ultimately, the key is to choose a format that aligns with the content, audience preferences, and desired level of engagement.